what's up? Y'all already know when y'all see these colors, that's all me. We're going to be working with my 613 top quality blonde hair today. This is 2 bundles of 12-inch and a 14-inch frontal. The style is going to be a bob, and I always use a longer frontal than the bundles. So if you guys just want to know why I do that, when it comes down to a bob, that's why I do that. So anytime you see me doing a bob with the frontal or even the closure, the frontal or the closure is always going to be longer than the bundles, just because, you know, the hair has to fall a certain type of way and you don't want to get a closure that's too short. Ooh, just a quick fact about me, I love soda, especially Sprite. The pens that you need to use to make the markings on your wig are metallic markers. But usually when it comes down to making a 613 wig, you can use a blonde dome cap. It's like a nude color, but unfortunately they don't have those in Germany, and I didn't have enough time for anyone to ship one to me. So we're just going to use black because it really doesn't matter. Honestly, back then we ain't have no nude cap, so you gotta make it do what it do. But I have detailed videos showing, you know, how to do the measurements on your cap, how to put the lines and all that good stuff. But I'm just going to show you key points to get a flawless blonde wig. Bye-bye to the black thread, because that's a no-go. I also have videos showing how you would thread your machine, you know, which needle I use, like all that good stuff. Majority of the things that y'all want to know is already on my channel. I mean, I know a lot of y'all are new here. Welcome, but y'all just got to watch all my videos to understand all of my new videos. But the thread that I'm using, of course, it's a nude blondish color, and it's polyester thread. It's made by Singer, but you can get any brand that you want to get. And usually I double my tracks, but since I'm only using 2 bundles, I'm going to single it first and then see how much space I have to determine if I want to double the other bundle. All right, now I'm complete with the first bundle. The first bundle is completely sewn on, and I don't have that much space left, so I'm going to go ahead and double the second bundle. Once again, if you want to see videos of how to properly use a sewing machine, I have many of those. If you don't know how to use a sewing machine, I have videos showing you how to do it by hand. Y'all gotta go on my channel, watch my videos, and pay attention to my videos, okay? But the wig is complete now. I'm gonna show you the inside, what it looks like. I just love the sewing machine method. It's so neat, it's so fast. I literally made this wig in like less than 20 minutes. It's really not that hard. Once you get the gist of it, you'll be making wigs like boom, 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 bam. Thank you, ma'am. Now we're gonna go ahead and attach the frontal. If you did everything correctly, the frontal will fit perfectly in the spot that it's meant to be in. Then you're just gonna go ahead, put the pins in it, and get your needle that you hand sew with, and you're gonna get the thread. Usually I would use a thicker kind of thread, the same type of thread that you sew in hair with. They make that in blonde as well. But being that I'm over here in Germany and I don't have access to local beauty supply stores, I'm just going to use the same thread that I made the wig with, the polyester thread, and it works pretty good. It's pretty strong, so I'm not worried about the wig falling apart at all. But after you do that, you're going to go ahead and cut the rest of the dome cap off. The excess piece of the dome cap that is not needed anymore, you're going to go ahead and just cut that off. The wig creation is finished. I'll be doing the install tomorrow, not on myself, but on my client. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to add the lace tint and let it dry, let it sit, and that's pretty much it. The lace tint comes from tailoredcrowns.com. I'll attach her link below. Her Instagram is also Tailored Crowns.